Hello everyone, this is Oliver from Oliver Travels, and today we're gonna make a little bit of a different video. I'm here at the HUB, one of the most central hotels in Oslo and one of the most popular as well. So I'm gonna be here for a kickoff with some of the work I'm doing. So I'm gonna show you around, see how everything looks from the inside and maybe a little bit from the kickoff. I'm not sure about that yet. So we will see. I'm gonna show you the breakfast. I'm gonna stay here the night. There's gonna be a spa experience and yeah, I think it's gonna be quite nice. The video is gonna be a little bit different as well since I'm in between camera equipment. So this one is gonna be plain on my iPhone. So let's see how that turns out. So come with us on this fun little ride here at the HUB in Oslo. Well, check-in went very well. I could check in quite early, so I'm going to give you a quick room tour just so you can see. We do have a nice view though. All right, quick room tour. The bathroom, very spacious, very nice. Here we go. Nice little room. Oh, look at that cutie bear. Right, and we do have a nice view. Here we go. Beautiful. Well, that's about it.